10 Vitamin D rich foods. A vital ingredient for our bodies is vitamin D. It supports muscle and nerve function, aids in the absorption of calcium from diet, and maintains the health and strength of our bones. Because the majority of vitamin D is created in our skin when it is exposed to sunlight, vitamin D is sometimes referred to as the sunshine vitamin. We must obtain vitamin D from food because, in the absence of sunlight or for any other reason, our bodies might not be able to create enough of it. Here is a list of 10 foods high in vitamin D that you may eat to make sure you consume enough of this vitamin. Salmon. Salmon is a fatty fish that has a high vitamin D content. More than half of the daily required amount of vitamin D, 444 IU, is present in a 3-ounce dose of salmon. Tuna. Another type of seafood that is highly high in vitamin D is tuna. 154 IU of vitamin D, or roughly 20% of the daily requirement, are present in a 3-ounce serving of tuna. Egg yolks. A major source of vitamin D is egg yolks. 41 IU of vitamin D may be found in one big egg yolk, which is roughly 8% of the daily required value. Fortified milk and yogurt. Vitamin D can be found in large quantities in milk and yogurt. Approximately 124 IU of vitamin D, or 16% of the daily required value, can be found in 1 cup of fortified milk. Fortified orange juice. Vitamin D fortified orange juice is a fantastic method to receive your recommended daily allowance of the vitamin. 137 IU of vitamin D, or roughly 18% of the daily required allowance, can be found in just 1 cup of fortified orange juice. Fortified cereals. Several breakfast cereals have vitamin D added to them. Roughly 40 IU of vitamin D are found in 1 serving of fortified cereal, which is roughly 8% of the daily required value. Mushrooms. A fantastic source of vitamin D is mushrooms. Despite the fact that the amount of vitamin D in mushrooms varies, 1 cup of mushrooms has roughly 4 IU, which is about 1% of the daily required value. Cod liver oil. Vitamin D is abundant in cod liver oil. Approximately 1360 IU of vitamin D may be found in 1 teaspoon of cod liver oil, which is roughly 170% of the daily required value. Beef liver. Vitamin D is also abundant in beef liver. About 42 IU of vitamin D may be found in a single 3-ounce serving of beef liver, which is about 8% of the daily required value. Caviar. The fish roe known as caviar is rich in vitamin D. Roughly 400 IU of vitamin D may be found in 1 ounce of caviar, which is roughly 50% of the daily required value. You can make sure you get enough of this important mineral by including these foods high in vitamin D in your diet. However, you might want to think about taking a supplement if you still can't get the recommended quantity of vitamin D each day. Please like and subscribe our channel for more such informative videos.